Want to find out the best email copywriting tips? Well, by the end of this video, you'll have some of my favorite tips for creating and writing email copy that converts. For the best marketing and business advice, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I publish a video next. I'm Isabelle, ex-corporate marketer for Fortune 500 companies for over 14 years, now marketing strategist and sales funnel expert for coaches and course creators that want to sell their impact-making programs with integrity. Email copywriting tip number 1 is all about psyche. It's all about reading the minds and the hearts of your audience. It's really about truly understanding what is going on, right? Why, what are their worries? What's keeping them up at night? Why is it difficult to solve their problems, like specifically? And yes, copywriting, often when people think about copywriting, they'll think about formulas and then different strategies and the actual, wordsmithery or the word wizardry and putting words together. But really, words together without connection and without meaning to the people that are actually reading it means nothing. So truly at the core of writing copy that converts, whether in an email or anywhere, is really first starting by truly understanding and reading the minds of your prospects and your customers. It's really about being able, as the coach, as the course creator, to understand what they're going through so that you can adapt not only your copy, but also your programs and your services so that really you're serving your audience to the best of your ability. So psyche, super important. Email copywriting tip number 2 is to make it skimmable. People in general don't necessarily read every single word. So what they'll do before is they'll kind of look at the big sections, they'll skim through it, and then if they're really interested, they'll go back and read it all. So you want to use short paragraphs, you want to use emphasis like headlines and headers where it actually makes sense. We're using bold or italics as well to draw the attention to the key points in your email. Tip number 3 is to read it aloud. When you're reading your copy, your text, is there rhythm to it? Is it kind of short and punchy? How does it sound? And you'll very quickly, when you're reading it, will identify places where, it's too long, or it doesn't make sense, the word order is off, or maybe you could shorten it or make it more punchy or something. So always read it aloud very quickly. If you're stumbling on a sentence, very quickly you'll figure out, okay, that's wrong there, I gotta tweak something. Now comment below and let me know which idea or tip do you like best for your own business. Let me know, I read every comment. Tip number 4 is regarding links. Now your email subject line, by the way, I've got a video on that if you want to check that, but your email subject line will get your email open. Then your copy will get people to read it and will give them a purpose and a reason for clicking. So your links are really important. I love to position one link kind of in the third paragraph. You don't want to have the links right at the top. That could potentially land you in the spam folder, so we don't want that. So maybe around the third paragraph to have like a call to action there with a link. And then not again at the bottom of your email, have the same link as well. Try to not have too many links. That could also land you in the spam folder. So a whole bunch of different links going everywhere, like that's very spammy. So don't do that. And also don't, write the whole URL, like the whole entire link. Simply hyperlink it. So just write click here. And then once they click here, this is what actually takes them to your URL. The 5th tip is about your CTA, so your call to action. It really helps to have one clear call to action in your email. Consumer psychology has proven that if people, human, are presented with several choices, they will revert to taking no choice. But if they're presented with only one action, their likelihood of taking that action will be higher. So if you are clear on what is the intent of your email and the purpose of your email, your readers will also be clearer on what it is that you like them to do with that email. So what is the purpose of your email? Is it for them to listen to your latest podcast episode with the purpose of nurturing them in between your launches? Or is it that you want them to attend a free masterclass? So the intent and the purpose of your emails being aligned with your call to action is really important. The clearer you are, the more your audience will be as well. So again, your CTA one ideally would be best. If you go into an email and you have, hey, sign up for my masterclass, listen to my latest podcast episode, oh, and by the way, I'm doing this summit, and you have all of these different emails or these different call to actions within one email, it will tend to confuse people and they won't really know which one they should do. So as much as possible, try to have one clear call to action per email. This will help you create emails that convert better. So if you're a coach or a course creator and you've got a bajillion ideas for your programs, but don't know how to stand out, then I can help you step away from the confusion. There's a link below this video. Click on it to find out more about how I can help and to book your free discovery call with me today. And make sure to click on these videos to get more marketing and business advice. If you liked this video, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe and share it with your friends. All right, I'll see you next time.